Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule YouTube video upload. Scheduling a YouTube video not only ensures a consistent and timely release of content, but also allows creators to plan and optimize engagement, reaching their audience when it matters most. So let's start the video. To schedule a video on YouTube, open youtube.com and then go to YouTube Studio. Now click on Create button at the top right corner of the screen. And from the menu, click on Upload Videos. Now click on Select Files to locate and select the video file to upload. Enter the necessary information like title, description, thumbnail, and video tags. Now click on Next button. Again click on Next. Again click on Next button. Now in the Visibility tab, choose Schedule instead of Save or Publish. So scroll down and click on drop down arrow next to schedule. So click on it. Now pick the date and time you want your video to go live. So we are going to select 10th of Feb and time 1:30 AM. Now click on schedule button. As you can see the pop-up video scheduled, so you can click on close. Now if you go to content, you can see the visibility of this video is scheduled. So that's how to schedule YouTube video upload. Thanks for watching.